Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we are going to be talking about BlackRock. So I came across a video that someone linked me that BlackRock on February 7th, 2020 invested $8 million into Nordic American Tankers. And then, so I went and I tried to find it, and so it's right here. February 7th, BlackRock filed a SCG 13G with Securities and Exchange SEC, disclosing ownership of 8 million shares of Nordic American Tankers. So if we look at Nordic American Tankers on February 7th, so they invested into Nordic American Tankers at $3.27. 8 million, an ownership of 8 million shares. So I think at $3.27 is probably a very good buy. If you can get a buy at $3.27, it'd probably be a very an excellent buy, especially if you're just looking towards the dividend payment. But for the short term, I think we might have another bounce coming here very soon. I could be wrong. It's pure speculation on my part. But I'm thinking that when they announce earnings on May 18th, we could bounce off the bounce higher depending on what they say. I'm definitely going to be listening onto that video. And then on May 22nd, 2020, they are going to be the ex-dividend date. After the ex-dividend date, the stock usually sells off simply because people don't need to hold on to the stock anymore to get the dividend. They just need to hold the stock till that dividend date, and then after that they can just abandon the stock completely. So I'm thinking there's going to be a small run up on May 22nd, and then after May 22nd it's probably going to sell off because they don't need to hold the stock anymore for the dividend, and they can buy back in the next dividend date. You don't have to actually be a long-term investor to own the dividend, to get the dividend. You just need to own the stock as of the ex-dividend day in order to get it. So I'm thinking that a lot of money will rush back in for that dividend, and then once they get that dividend, it's gonna leave the market again. So you would have a choice. I think, in my opinion, I don't know if this will actually happen, but I think you will have a choice soon to either sell out, wait until it dips again, and then then buy back in. But you would be missing the dividend. So it all depends on your mindset, what you want. But on May 22nd, I think there's going to be a big drop in stock price because of the dividend payment. But we'll see what happens. Scorpio Tankers Incorporation, 1869. One thing I want to bring up is all the other tanker stocks are starting to look like they bottomed out and is starting to move back up again. But again, that's what I see. This doesn't mean that it won't go down further, because it still can. It's not an official uptrend yet, but it's starting to look like a bottom soon. We'll see what happens. That's my opinion. Another one, TK Tankers, also looks like, just from a charting perspective, looks like it's forming a bottom, but could be wrong. We'll see what happens. Euronaut, same thing. DHT, same thing. So I'm thinking that in the near future here, we could have another bounce. It could be wrong, but I think we might have another bounce coming up very soon here, and you will have your choice of either selling out or holding for the dividend. SPY, the SPY is up 41 cents, 0.15 cents. Not too much to say about that. There's some news today. The reason why the market sold off was because of Powell warns of lasting damage due to the virus. And because of that, there's been a lot of negative news in the government lately between the Dr. Fauci and Powell talking about the virus, and that's the reason why the SPY has gone down quite dramatically in the near term. It's starting to form a downtrend, but that could easily get reversed. We will see. Trump says he disagrees with Powell on negative interest rate. Trump, all he cares about, pump that market, negative interest rate, incoming. Why? Because he wants the stock market to be back to his 52-week high. That's what he wants. So, he might get it. I don't know. We'll see. Tesla was a down day today, but unless the market crashes, Tesla won't crash. That's my opinion. The VTIQ, VectoIQ, I guess, was just bouncing around today. I'm hoping it crashes so I can cash out big on my put option, but it may not, and it may just stay up here for a while and go higher. That's a possibility. I don't control the markets. I don't know who controls the market. I guess, institutional investors. I think they pump the stock up to crash it, and you can make a lot of money. I think when a stock spikes up like crazy, it's set up so shorts can come in to short it. So shorts and investors will pump up the stock price, sell out their position, short the position, and then sell out their position, causing a massive downward pressure, which would create a lot of money on their short position. That's how I think they play it. That's how I think hedge funds play it. They pump up a stock so they can crash it, so they can make a lot of money on the way down. So I think eventually this will crash. I could be wrong. It's pure speculation on my part. Beyond Meat is a dollar. I saw an opportunity today. It crashed. I saw it. I picked up some call options, and now I'm up like 100% on my call option position. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll see where this continues. Hopefully it keeps going up. Could go down tomorrow. I don't know at the end of the day. If the market goes up tomorrow, I think Beyond Meat will go up. Grubhub, kind of disappointing day today. I thought it was going to go up a lot higher, but it didn't. It's still uptrending right now, and I think there's a lot of tension on it, so I still think it's going to keep going up. It might be a slow grind, but I think it's going to keep going up. I have a position in it, about 400 shares, so I'm not going to prove it because I really don't care. Uber is probably linked to Grubhub. If Uber drops off dramatically, I think Grubhub will drop off dramatically too. $57 billion market cap. It's insane for a company that keeps losing money. But the MACD is bullish right now, so short-term bullish, mid-term bullish, and long-term bullish. So if Uber keeps going up, Grubhub will go up with it. That's my opinion. The market today was trading sideways. European is red. I guess Europe market and Asia market are closed right now. Oil was down today at only 1%, which is not too bad. VIX is starting to climb up there, but we'll see what happens. I think tomorrow's going to be a green day. It could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part. I don't know why I have Disney, but I wish I shorted Disney when it was at $110. Aurora today, ugly day again, down 66 cents. Afria also got an ugly day. Aurora seems to be dragging down all the other MJ plays. I don't know. Liberal Health Science, 42 cents. Looks like an opportunity to me, in my opinion. Harvest is down 15 cents. Cresco Labs down 10 cents. Kira is up 9 cents today. GTII is trading sideways. True Eve is trading sideways today. AMD is up 27 cents. USO, I think I might buy some put option on USO soon because on April 20th, USO crashed really hard because of the negative oil prices, and May 20th is coming, and there could be a major oil, another oil fear panic thing again on May 20th. Who knows? Well, that's my opinion. We'll see what happens, but you know, we could have a little correction soon on United States oil. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.